Welcome to Asdan NetSuite for Insurance Brokerage. NetSuite Insurance Brokerage has the feature of underwriter management, insurance policy management, and also insurance brokerage accounting automation. The underwriter management. In the underwriter management, the underwriter will have a portal to manage all the activities related to the insurance. And also the underwriter portal will be available on NetSuite mobile app. The underwriter will have the ability to create the payment receipt and also to print it for the customers. Once the underwriter is creating a payment receipt and the insurance policy is creating on the system, an automatic linkage will happen between the insurance policy and the payment receipt. Insurance policy management has the feature of creating insurance policy into the system, manage different insurance types such as motor, general, medical insurance, automatic linkage with the payment receipt with the related policy number, manage commission rates as per the policy type, whether it's comprehensive, export, or third party, and so on. Also have the ability to import all the exported insurance policy from the insurance portal and insurance policy reconciliation, insurance policy refund management. Insurance brokerage accounting management. We will have automated accounting impacts that will hit the accounts receivable and accounts payable at once the policy is created. Also manage the VAT once we enter the gross amount of the policy. Also manage policy discounts and manage all the agents collection and manage insurance company payments as well. Let's see a demo. As you can see here, I'm logged in as underwriter. So usually when the underwriter in the branch, he enters the insurance policy in the insurance company portal, and then he enters a payment receipt on NetSuite. So when I navigate here, insurance management and then payment receipts, and I click on the list. So here is my payment receipt that I have entered. Let's say I want to create a new payment receipt. So as you can see here is the insurance type, which is motor insurance policy. Here is the insurance company. Let's say I want to go for this insurance company. Down here I have the policy type, whether it's comprehensive, export, third party. Let's say it's comprehensive insurance policy. And here is the date and also the receipt number to be generated. Here is the policy number. The policy number here is very important. So once I enter here the policy number and then create the policy with the same number, automatically NetSuite link this payment receipt with the policy number and show you the difference. I'll show you in a minute the linkage. Okay, so let's say here is my insurance policy number. Okay, here is customer type. Okay, just this customer. Here is the customer TRN, also the branch, the payment method. Okay, let's say it's cash or something. Okay, here is the code of the agent, the sales rep. Okay, the related insurance policy, because this is a new payment receipt. Okay, there is no related insurance policy, but of course when I enter the insurance policy on the system, automatically the payment receipt and insurance policy will be linked. Here is the phone number. Okay, insurance company TRN. Okay, the Arabic name. Also I have here an option whether this payment receipt is related to a new insurance policy or its endorsement. So if this checkbox is unchecked, it means this payment receipt is against a new insurance policy. Okay, if I check this box, okay, then the endorsement type is mandatory. Okay, so I here select the insurance policy endorsement type. Okay, let's say a change plate registration or something, change plate number or whatever. Okay, so here I choose, let's say, the endorsement. If I left it blank and I check this one, uncheck this one, Okay, this payment receipt is against a new insurance policy. All right. Down here also I have some notes. Okay, just notes for the underwriter when he enters a payment receipt, and here is the gross amount. All right. Of course, if there is any notes or any files, I can attach here. Okay, so let's say now I enter the payment receipt. Okay, I just want to check my list, and let's say this is my payment receipt that I have created. All right, so I have here entered all the data. All right, so I can click here to print the payment receipt, and here is my payment receipt with all the details, so I can give to the customer on the branch. Okay, so right now I created my payment receipt, let's say. Okay, and then for the auditor to is going to export, let's say, the insurance policies from the insurance company portal to import into NetSuite. All right, so I'm going to switch to administrator. So let's say now the auditor is going to import or create the policies that have entered on the insurance company portal. So I have the options whether to import the insurance policies by Excel or CSV, okay, or create it manually. All right. So let's navigate to insurance management, transactions, insurance policy, and new. Let's open it in a new tab. So here is all the relative information related to the insurance policies, the insurance type, the tax invoice number is going to be generated automatically as well. If there is any payment receipt linked to this insurance policy, it will be automatically linked. Okay, also will source all the information from the payment receipt that have entered by the underwriter, and also if there is any variance between the insurance policy exported from the insurance company portal and the payment receipt registered or created by the underwriter will be shown here. All right, and also when I do the refund process, I can here select the accounts that I'm going to refund to. All right, and also if this one reconciled or not, refund request, cancel request. Okay, and all the related information related to the policy itself or the vehicle. All right, and also down here I have the calculation will be done automatically from the gross amount entered in the payment receipt. So now I'm going to search with the insurance policy number that I have entered in the payment receipt. Okay, so I have here a payment receipt that I have entered. Let's open it in a new tab. And also I have the policy against this payment receipt that I have entered by the auditor. So if I take a look, here is the payment receipt that we have entered as underwriter. So once the auditor enter an insurance policy with the policy number, okay, the system automatically link the payment receipt with the insurance policy. So as you can see here, here is a related insurance policy. So if I open this insurance policy, as you can see here, also here is the related payment receipt. Okay, so both are linked together, the payment receipt and the insurance policy automatically. Okay, so if I went down there, I'll be able to see the calculation details. Okay, so this is the amount entered by the underwriter in the branch. There is automatic calculation happens here. Here is the premium after the discount of insurance premium without VAT, VAT 5% on the premium, the commission amount, the VAT on the commission, also the commission percentage. Of course, the commission percentage different as per the policy type, whether it's comprehensive, export, or third party, let's say. Here is a discount on the commission. All right, the total commission after discount without VAT and after VAT. And here is the net payable to insurance company. And also here's the amount in March. So actually, the payment receipt doesn't have any accounting impact, all right? But for the insurance policy, once it's created, it's automatically creating a journal entry. Okay, so if I click on this journal entry just to see the accounting impact, we can see, and of course here the policy number is related, customer name related, the class which is motor insurance policy. So if I went down here, I'll be able to see accounts receivable in the debit. All right, and here is the agent name. Okay, and here is the accounts payable, which is the insurance company. Okay, and here is accounts payable VAT for the insurance company. I can see also here the insurance company name, and down here also is the commission as the revenue is recorded here. So now we have registered the payment receipt, and once the auditor enters the insurance policy, it's automatically linked together, okay, depending on, of course, the policy number. And once the policy is created on the system, automatically generates the accounting impact for the payable and for the receivable automatically. So now there are two steps left. One is collect the money from the underwriter, and second is pay the insurance company. So if I click here agent name and I want to accept the payment from the agent against this insurance policy, so here is all the payments that need to be collected from the agent. Of course, I can search by the insurance number or something, or I can search by the date. Okay, so I'm going to apply all the payments that I need to be it need to be collected from the agent. All right, and then click save so I can collect all the payments from the agent. Meanwhile, I will do the same. Let's say if I went back to the journal entry that is created and I want to click on the insurance company, all right, and now I want to pay the insurance company. Okay, so I will click make payment, so I can select, let's say, all the policies need to be paid to the insurance company. Of course, I can filter by date or insurance policy number. All right, so I can select these insurance policies and then click save to pay these policies to the insurance company. So just to recap, first we entered the payment receipts, okay, as an underwriter with a specific insurance policy number. So once the policy is created with the same number in the payment receipt, automatically linked to the payment receipt and creates a related journal entry if impacts to the payable and receivable and also the revenue and that. All right, also if there is any difference again here, it will be shown here as well. So if I went back to the dashboard, okay, I have also some reminders here. Let's say payment receipt doesn't have insurance policies, so it means there are some payment receipts created on the system, but there is no policy against this payment receipts. Also, there is payment receipt is less than the insurance policy, so the payment collected by the underwriter is less than the insurance company registered on the portal. Also, I have here zero payment receipt not assigned to an agent, okay, and also there is 5 payment receipt is greater than the insurance policy as well. Of course, there's some graphs like policies by branch or something, okay, and also revenue by branch. I can see here's the total revenue if I have also branches or revenue even by agents, and also the KPIs related to the performance of the agents and also the branches as well. Also, if we take a look at the reports that we have here, let's open agent profitability for motor insurance. So in this report, I can see each agent and the gross amounts, the discount, the total commission and the total profit, and also the percentage of total profit for each agent. Of course, this is for a specific period of time, and also you can click on detail to see all the policies that have entered against each one of them. All right. Also, there is another report. Let's check daily sales report. If we open this one, this is the daily sales report that can see the insurance policy created by which agent, and also the payment receipt against this agent, also the insurance company, and policy type, collected amount. Also another report, there is count of policies by agent. Okay, so each agent, the number of policy each agent. Of course, there is filters of the date or insurance company. Another report also shows revenue by branch. Okay, so here is the branches, here is the revenue, and also percentage of total of the revenue here. Okay, so for example, I can see here the head office is generating most of the revenue here. Also, there is another report for some of motor insurance policies. I can see here insurance company, all right, and also the sum of gross amounts and the commission, and also the VAT and the VAT on the insurance premium as well. Okay, and also down here is the total. And another report for production report motor department. Okay, in this report, of course, we can see the policies, the start date, the end date, also the premium, the commission, the gross amount, the insurance company, everything related to the production report. It's very important. Also, you have filters of the dates, let's say for a specific agent or a specific insurance company as well, or you can filter also by branch or something. Now, after we have seen the demo, let's recap. First, we went through underwriter portal and we have recorded the payment receipt. We have the ability to print it and also to link it with the related insurance policy number to create insurance policy on the system. It could be created manually on the system or imported through CSV, and it will be automatically linked. Also, we had automated accounting impact that will hit the AR and AP at once. Thank you for watching.